Hello everyone, this is Hobbi Crochet. Welcome to my channel. We are making today Christmas tree. Very easy, simple pattern. Very similar to granny triangle, but little bit different. Decorate your house, make a garland, or put this on a presents or on a Christmas tree. Looks lovely. 3.5mm crochet hook, and let's start. Slip knot, chain 2, chain 3, slip stitch in the first chain stitch, and we are making little circle. If you want, make magic loop or magic circle. 3 chain stitches. This will work as your first double crochet. Yarn over into the center. Into the circle that we've made, find the center and make 2 double crochets. We will start working from the center of our little pattern. So this is one sequence, then chain 2, 3 double crochets in the center again, nice and slow tutorial. This is for beginners. If you want to make this video slightly slower, go to settings, playback speed, and put 0.5. Or if you want it slightly faster, just put playback speed 1.5 or even 2. So you've done 2 sides. Now we need to make one more side. So 2 chain stitches, 3 double crochets. And make chain 2. Chain 2 between these double crochets. So 3 double crochet, chain 2, pattern for round 1. Slip stitch in the third chain stitch. And round 1 is finished. For round 2, make 3 chain stitches as double crochet, but it will go into this last chain space, 2 chain stitches, and make 3 double crochet in the next chain 2 space. Chain 2, 3 more double crochet in the same space, chain 2, and repeat this cluster 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet for each side. So we've got a triangle, we've got 3 sides, but the last side already we've got 3 chain stitches, so it will mean that you avoid 1 double crochet in the last side, in the last chain space. I'll show you, I will not go away anywhere. So side number 2, 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochets, you've done side number 2, or I would say corner number 2. Well, corner and side. And now we need to complete one more side. Chain 2, 3 double crochets, chain 2, and make only 2 double crochet on the last side. You remember we've made chain 3 at the beginning of this round, so this makes 1 double crochet. Have a look again. This is like triangle. We already got triangle, and our beginning chain, you remember we did chain 3, then chain 2. I'm trying to make it slightly closer. So there you go. This chain 3 works as your first double crochet, your last double crochet, I should say. I'm trying to adjust my camera that you can see that. Yeah, now it's more clear. You can see triangle is coming. Slip stitch in the third chain stitch. I think I made it in the fourth, but it doesn't matter, never mind. Okay, looks like triangle now. One more round and you're done. Chain 2. In the same space I will be making 4 double crochets, and this will be like tree trunk. Chain 2 and slip stitch in the same space, just complete this tree stump or trunk. You can finish it here, but I will go once more round. If you make this brown, it will be like a tree trunk and you can finish this pattern. But if you want, follow me round for one more round. I've made chain 2, I've made 2, 3 double crochets and 4. So this side will have 4 double crochet. You are in the corner and I want to make picot, just to make those corners slightly more obvious. Chain 3, slip stitch in the last loop of double crochet. That's how we make picot. Of course it is optional. And slip stitch. This is picot. And 4 double crochet in the same space. This is one side of one corner of my Christmas tree. Four double crochets. There you go. Tree stump and one corner. Now we are going further. Next chain space, we are making 4 double crochets. Let's finish the middle. Go to the middle. I'm making 5 double crochets. then picot, you can see we are right on the top of our Christmas tree. So a little bit more and you're done. And we will go back to the back of the tree basically with the same pattern. 5 double crochets to complete this high point. Five, and I have made only 4. Oh, let's make one more. 5, that's right. And now 4 double crochets in the next chain 2 space. That is the side, and we need to make one more corner. That one. 4 double crochets. And then 1 picot. Four more double crochets in the same chain space. And chain 2. And to finish this looks like a tree, triangle, lovely shaped, and it's literally 13 minutes on my clock. So voila! If you memorize this pattern, you can make it in no time. Slip stitch just to secure our chain 2 and chain 1 to secure the last stitch. And I struggle to make it there. So this is what you do, you just take the yarn and make chain 1, easy peasy. There you go. We have done our Christmas tree. It's time to cut the yarn, and I will show you how to put some finishing touches, how to put the rope and a little bow on the top. It's very fun. First we need to weave the ends, just go nicely, take your time, make this job nice and neat. You can use of course darning needle, but I'm using just my hook. Maybe smaller hook would be easier, or darning needle would be easier. But sometimes I don't want to fetch the needle. There you go. And I will show you really challenging moment. I will not cut it out, but maybe you will need that. If you want to decorate this with a little bead and put it on a string, this is what you gotta do. You need to take that string inside that little opening. My opening isn't really so big, it just hardly fits with my rope. So I'm twisting the rope, and you can see it there, it's coming through. That's how you do it. If you don't have enough materials to use, but you really want to put a bead and make something cute, you just have to get on with it. And oh dear, I was trying to make them the ends even. I almost destroyed it. There you go. And then you take those ends through the picot on top of your tree. It is quite thick, so you go with one side at a time. I struggle here a little bit, but I know that all the creators, they all struggle, but lots of people, they just cut it off. And then people wonder, how have you made this loop? How did you get that through? Oh guys, I really struggled and I didn't really want to show you. So there you go. Then I have made the knot. You can put in the comments, do you want to see this everything, every little bit, how creator struggles, or do you want to have a tutorial nice and sugary when all little hip cups just cut off? Sometimes I cut off everything and just keep the video nice and smooth, but I know that nobody is perfect, and no video goes perfectly every time, so when we edit, we just cut those bits off. There, I want to make nice and tiny bow. And here I also little bit struggle with my big thick fingers, because you need to make just a tiny little bow. Of course you can create it different way. On the other tree I created the bow first and then I used fabric glue to glue it in, but I think too messing up with fabric glue. Well, this was just another idea, just to place the bow right on the tree. And I struggle a little bit, you can see I'm off the camera, I'm very sorry, but this is what you do. You pull and make this nice little tiny bow, and it looks great. I hope you guys love it. Put comments below. Don't forget to watch my next tutorial, it will be tomorrow. Large ball, slightly different, I already made and put it on my channel, please have a look. And another bit that I really love, and everyone loves it, a little Christmas coaster. Look how lovely it looks, and it's really easy. So please don't forget to check my other tutorials, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you again later.